Welcome to our demonstration of Couchbase Capella, the powerful database as a service solution that simplifies NoSQL database management and leverages the familiarity of SQL with SQL++. Today we'll be exploring the Capella query tool, which allows you to write SQL++ queries directly from the management web UI. Let's dive in and see how Capella can be a game changer for developers and those transitioning from SQL to NoSQL. If you're a trial user, your travel sample database is already loaded and ready to use. For upgraded users, you'll need to import the travel sample bucket into a database using the Import Data tool. First, let's understand the power of SQL++. SQL++ extends SQL for use with NoSQL and document databases, providing a smooth transition for developers familiar with traditional SQL. Now, let's leverage your SQL knowledge to query JSON data. Here's a basic query that searches the routes collection to find all flights originating from JFK Airport. Select specifies the data you want to retrieve. From specifies where to find the data, and where adds conditions to narrow the results, just like basic SQL. Running the example, we see the results. You can change the values, run it again to see how the results change, making it easy to explore your data interactively. Next, let's query complex relationships between data entities using join. This query spans two collections, route and airline, to find United Airline flights from JFK to SFO. In this query, inner join connects the route and airline collections. Where specifies the airline, United, the source airport, JFK, and the destination airport, SFO. By running this example, you can see the power of joins in SQL++, allowing you to query complex relationships across your JSON document. SQL++ also makes it easy to work with hierarchical data using nested structures and arrays. This query finds all San Francisco hotels with an overall rating greater than 3. In this query, any and in specify any ratings in the reviews array. Satisfies filters results to include ratings greater than 3. Running this example, you can see how SQL++ allows you to find insights in complex data structures effortlessly without needing to physically transform your data. To manipulate data more easily, SQL++ offers the UNNEST function, which flattens the hierarchical structure of JSON documents. This query finds all the cities in the United Kingdom with an average hotel rating greater than 4.9. In this query, UNNEST flattens the reviews array, groups by city, having filters by average ratings greater than 4.9. Using UNNEST, you can transform hierarchical data into a flatter structure, making it more suitable for use with common BI tools. Finally, let's use SQL++ window analytical functions to perform complex calculations. This query ranks each city in France by its average hotel rating. In this query, UNNEST flattens the reviews array. Average calculates the average hotel rating for each city, and the rank over ranks the city by its average rating. By running this example, you can see how window functions in SQL++ provide powerful analytical capabilities to gain better insights from your data. This concludes our demonstration of SQL++ and the Capella query tool. With its powerful querying capabilities, Couchbase Capella makes it easy to work with NoSQL databases while leveraging the familiarity of SQL. Stay tuned for more tutorials and explore the full potential of Capella for your application development needs.